It's gotten to this point, y'all. I need to literally open these packages. I've been having sort of an issue ordering stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another YouTube video. This is Kirsten Zelaya. And in today's video, I'll be opening all my packages that I have from Amazon. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. I want to open this one. Let's go with this. Don't forget to use my link, y'all. Use my link for any deals that they have. Oh my god! It's like that cute little puppy bag. Obviously, I got the dupe because I did not want to spend money on the real one because I know I'm probably not going to use it like that. I'm probably just going to use it when I go and do like Pilates, or use it when I go to the gym, or go and use it when I'm going to go get my matcha. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, I'm so I'm gonna post the real one, obviously. It's the real one, but I got the dupe and I think it looks really similar to it. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I love it because it has the handles if you want to go long, short handles if you want to go short like it does on the picture. So, oh my goodness, that's so cute. 30, I think it was. That's really cute. I totally forgot I got this. Ah, so cute. Next. I don't know what I got. I ordered so much things I don't even remember what I get. Oh yeah, I did order this. Ooh, this is not the pink I wanted, but okay. I had ordered a light pink. This is like purple. Definitely not a light pink. I'm not tripping. I am a gamma. Pink and purple. I'm just a pink gamma. It's cute though. You're complaining, it's cute. I'm gonna have to look at the order because I promise you guys, I chose a light pink. We'll go with it. We'll go with it. Oh yeah, and I ordered this. I'm redoing the rest of them, so I'm gonna put this around the edges. Next. This one's a light one. What is this? Actually, Vivi. I'm so confused with this one. Oh yeah! I ordered this to do my nails. Maybe I can see. You put like the little nails on there and you just paint them or whatever. Okay, cool. It's the same thing. Adhesive tape and then the same one for the left. Cool. Okay. Cute little set. Okay, what's this? And cute sunglasses I got for myself. And I ordered some Oakleys for my beta dad and they stole them. Now I have to reorder them. Oh, voila. Okay. So if you guys know me, I love glasses, especially on top of my head. It's like a thing I do. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Okay. A little too much. These are so cute though. Adorbs, adorbs, adorbs. Definitely linking these below. Here's a little close up if you want to see them. Got 2 more packages, y'all. I forgot I totally ordered these. Yeah. I ordered some Under Armour sports bras. Okay, I ordered the pink one. Oh, and they're like crossback. That's perfect. That's cute. This is cute, y'all. The color too. Love it. And I got a white one too. I'm trying to look cute at the gym. And I love it because my gym, there's nobody. It's just for me. So perfect. I like to look cute for me. Okay, cool. Last package. I guess I ordered another one. This one's color black. Oh, but this is a Nike. Ooh. This is a Nike. Oh my god. I don't think this will fit me. Why the hell would I order a medium? Like, why? Why would you do? Just why would you do that, Kirsten? Oh, you're so dumb. Let me see, what are these? I mean, these are medium too. Yo, we gotta lose weight, girl. We gotta lose weight so they can get smaller, so them cherries can get a little smaller. Okay. Yeah, they're just gonna be popping the fuck out. Fuck. Well, those are all my orders, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. My social media will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see you guys next week. Stay tuned. Bye.